Good
Hello.
morning.
Yeah. Good morning. Welcome to Pantador. I'm so happy to see you here today. Okay. Okay. So, how are you today?
I'm good.
Okay. So, what time did you go to bed last night?
Um, I think 3 hours before. Oh, ago. Oh, no, before. Yeah,
Okay. 3 hours ago.
yeah.
You went to bed 3 hours ago, like 4
Yeah.
a.m.
4? Oh, no. 5 a.m.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can't believe it. So,
Because
do you?
I have homework. Yeah. Homework, no. Report today.
Yeah. So, do you need to go to school today?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, have you seen the video before you come to class?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay,
Yeah.
so are you ready to begin the lesson?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So let's get started.
Oh, this is delicious. Amazing. Cheryl, don't you want to try it? No, thank. Too many calories. And we need to go. I'll ask for the check. I love dessert. Do you know how many calories are in that cake? No, and don't tell me. Um, oh, how much was in your steak and your fried shrimp, or how much short, short was on your French fries? Do you want us to just eat raw vegetable vegetable are good, or how about smaller portion, and no desserts, no desserts. You need to take care of your body. It's healthy food. Um, Healthy vegetable for snacks in instead of potato chips and cookies. You are right. Tomorrow I am eating a lot of vegetable. Really? For snack, and I am having potato chips, cookies for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Oh, you are terrible. What are you doing? I'm trying to get the check. Finally, do you want that?
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So, okay, can you repeat after me? Ow, ow, not I-O. Okay, ow.
Ow.
I'll ask for the check. I'll ask.
Ow.
I'll ask.
Ow.
I'll ask for the
I'll
check. Okay,
I'll ask.
yeah.
Ask.
So your fried shrimp Shrimp. Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Shrimp.
You're right. Shrimp.
Shrimp.
Yeah. So how much salt was on your French fries? French
Rice.
fries. French
French.
fries. French.
French.
Fries.
French. Fries.
Fries. Okay.
Fries.
Yeah, it's a little bit difficult because you need to pronounce French and fries at the same
French.
time. So I think
Yeah.
it's not easy, but by speaking a little bit slowly, you can do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Like how much salt was on your French fries? You need to slow down your speech a little bit.
Yeah.
So, do you want us to just eat raw vegetables? Vegetables. Do you
Vegetable.
want us to just eat raw vegetables?
Raw. Do you want
Us.
us? Do you want us to just eat raw vegetable? Vegetable.
Yeah, okay.
Vegetable.
So this word we learned from yesterday, right? You remember? Yeah. So how about smaller portions?
How about smaller portion?
Portion. Do you know what portion means?
No. No, I don't.
So portion means an amount of food that is big enough for one person. Okay. Like an amount of food. That food is big enough for one person. Okay.
Oh, large size. Oh no.
No, so for example, when you cut cakes,
Yeah.
you have a birthday cake. So you want to divide that cake into five portions, for example. You want to cut the cake in 4 portions like this. So for example, here is the cake. You want to cut it like this, like 4 portions. So this is portion.
Yeah. Okay.
Because this cake, this kind of portion, this piece of cake is enough for you to eat. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, but you need to tell them, I just want to a small portion. Because if you want to have a big portion, maybe here is your portion, like this.
Yeah.
Okay, it is your portion. You just want to have a small portion. Maybe you can take this one, but if you want to have a big portion, you will take the half of the cake.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so now I'm gonna give you some questions related to the lesson. Okay.
Yeah.
So what does Gerald try to do?
Cheryl. Try to eat healthy food.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so not only does Gerald try to eat healthy food, but she also wants the others to eat healthy food as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Like, so for example, me as a Gerald, I want to eat healthy food, but I also want you to eat healthy food as well. Okay, so that is
Okay.
So basically, she tries to make everyone to eat healthy food like her.
Like
Yeah. So does Paul like the food?
Paul.
Yeah, Paul.
Pause.
So Paul said, "This is delicious."
Yes, yes, he like.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
yes he does. He likes
he
it.
does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what will Paul eat tomorrow?
Sweet Paul. What? What? You can I see the
Sure.
what will Paul eat tomorrow? Okay. Tomorrow he going to eat a lot of vegetable.
Vegetables.
Vegetable. Yeah,
Okay.
vegetable.
So do you like to eat vegetables?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. But it's very expensive in Japan.
Wow. Really?
Yeah, yeah.
Also, how can you manage to eat vegetables?
Okay. I don't know. I don't
Okay.
understand.
So vegetables in Japan are
Yeah.
really expensive. So
Yeah.
how can you have vegetables to eat? Like how
Oh,
often you eat vegetables in Japan?
yeah. But a little. I often eat vegetable, but um, sao
Not
nhỉ?
much.
I think is is expensive. Oh no, expensive than meat.
Ah,
Yeah, yeah.
you think vegetables are more
More
expensive
more
than
expensive than.
meat?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So does Mary love sweet food?
This Mary loves
Love
sweet food.
sweet food?
Love Mary, Mary.
We have Mary here.
Yeah. I no, she doesn't.
Okay, no, she
Yeah,
doesn't, right?
yeah.
So words about trying to order dessert or get the bill.
Was about trying to order. I don't trying to order dessert or get the bill.
Mhm.
I'm trying to check. No, no. À, check is check check là mình trả tiền ha.
uh, Same, like Chuck is also the bear.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, she. Oh no. Yes, she. Yes, he does. No. Yes, he was.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
So in today's lesson, do you have any questions for me?
I don't know. Okay, it's busy. Okay. How the first person. Okay. So instead. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't have a question.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so now I now we are going to talk about past simple. Okay.
Passing. Yeah.
So do you know when you use past simple?
Yeah.
When? When do you use past simple?
When I talk about what happened in the past.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, that's good. Okay, so but I want to add more information about that. So you use simple past when you want to talk about an action or a situation that happens and finish it in the past. Okay, happens and then finishes in the past. Okay. And when you use simple past, you also know exactly when that action happens. Okay, you know exactly the time when it happens.
Okay.
Okay, so for example, I graduated from my university in 2016. Okay,
In. Yeah.
2016. Okay, so I graduated. Okay, so that
Yeah.
action that happens in the past in 2016. Okay,
Yeah.
3 years ago. Okay, so now I want you to listen to the story of. Okay, so now I want you to listen to the story, and Bob is going to tell you his story. Okay,
Yeah.
and after that, you are going to answer questions related to the story. Okay.
Okay.
Ross cycling.
I love cycling.
Silent.
Or I did. I love cycling. Or I did. Last summer, I had a nasty accident. I fell off my bike. I shouted to my friend for help. He ran into the street and he found me on the ground. He called an ambulance. The ambulance took me to hospital. The doctor said I'd broken my leg and he put my leg in plaster. I couldn't walk for 8 weeks. Now, it feels a lot better. Sometimes it hurts during the night, but I take some aspirin when it does. I feel fine these days, but I always get nervous when I go out on my bike. See ya.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, so my computer is freezing.
Okay.
Can you still see me?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you know my computer is freezing?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so now maybe you need to see the transcript a little bit here.
Okay.
Can you read?
Can làm cho nó to ra thêm. Yeah.
Can you zoom it?
Yeah. Can you zoom?
Yeah, like this. Zoom it. It's like zoom. Here, we had a name for that. Can you zoom it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zoom.
Can you zoom in?
Okay.
It's like a camera. Can you zoom in? When you show the object, is yeah.
Okay. I love cycling.
Sailing.
Cycling.
Not cycle. Sailing. I love sailing.
Okay. I love sailing. I did. Last summer, I had a nasty accident. I fell off my bike. I shouted to my friend for help. He ran into the street and found me on the ground. He called an ambulance.
He called an ambulance.
He called an ambulance. The ambulance took me to hospital. The doctor say I broken my leg, and he put my leg in
plaster.
I
Yeah. So here.
Plaster. Okay. In plaster, I couldn't work for 8 weeks. Now it feels a lot better. Sometimes it hurts during the night, but I just take some aspirin when it does. I feel fine these days, but I always get nervous and I go out on my bike.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. So here we have aspirin. Okay.
Aspirin.
Okay. So when you take some aspirin in order to reduce your pain. Okay.
Yeah.
Like when you have a headache, or some kind of illness like that, you take some aspirin and it will reduce your pain.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So nasty, which means bad,
Nasty.
bad accident.
Okay.
You know ambulance?
Yeah.
Okay. He ran into the street and found me on the route. The route.
The round.
Yeah. The doctor said I had broken.
I
I
had.
had broken.
I have broken. I have broken.
Sometimes it hurts during the night, but just take some aspirin when it does. I feel fine these days. These days.
This day.
Okay. So these days that means like today. Like like today, for example,
This.
I used to play soccer a lot when I was in high school, but these days I don't play it anymore. Okay. So
Yeah.
when I was in high school, I used to play soccer a lot with my friends. But these days, I don't play it anymore. Okay. These days mean like it's not today, but these days I'm talking about like my present time. Okay.
It mean dạo gần đây. No.
No.
Dạo gần.
Like recently, like that's what you are talking about, but these days is different. I actually don't know how to translate that in Vietnamese, but
Okay.
I can say, but these days, like at this time, I don't play it anymore. But in the past, I used to play soccer, but these days, I don't play it anymore.
Giống như là ngày xưa và ngày nay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. You can see that, like in the past, Rob used to ride his bike on the street without worrying about having accident. Okay.
Yeah.
But these days, when he goes out on his bike, he gets nervous. Okay, he gets nervous.
Okay.
That means he gets worried about riding his bike these days. Okay, so in the past he didn't worry about that, but these days after having an accident, he is worried about riding his bike when he goes out on the street these days.
This day.
Like last summer, I
Had.
We are going to make it quick, okay?
I fell it.
Fell off.
Fell. My friend for help. I shoot.
I shouted.
Shouted.
Yeah, like help me.
Okay. He ran.
He ran into the street
and found. Okay.
He called an ambulance. And the ambulance took me to the hospital.
Yeah.
The doctors
said
I had broken my leg And he
Just
put.
put.
No, put, not put it. Put.
Yeah, okay.
Now,
Now is feel a lot.
it feels.
Feels.
Yeah, now. Not in the
Okay.
past.
Sometimes is hurts.
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 Yeah,
Is
during the night, but I just
take
yeah. I feel fine these days,
this day. Yeah.
but now I always
Get
get nervous. Always get nervous when I
go out on my
yeah.
bike.
Okay, excellent. Congratulations. Okay, so that's the end for today's lesson, and I'm going to see you tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
Okay. Goodbye and have a nice day.
Have a nice day.